Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share something new and transformative with you today that will kickstart your year and lead you towards the life you've always dreamed of. Are you ready? Then let's dive in. Did you know that your self-image is like an invisible script that dictates your entire life? It's incredible but true. The way you see yourself influences your decisions, feelings, and even the opportunities that come your way. But here's the kicker. If your self-image doesn't reflect the life you want, you might feel stuck, no matter how hard you try. This is where the concept of a self-image script comes into play. So what is a self-image script, you might ask? A self-image script is a personalized, detailed vision of the person you want to become. Think of it as a blueprint for your mind. It gives your subconscious the necessary instructions to align thoughts, actions, and feelings with your goals. When you take the time to create and live with your self-image script, you might notice several different things. You start making decisions with clarity and confidence. You attract opportunities that resonate with your aspirations. Your actions feel effortless, in tune with your vision. And trust me, it's not just for me as an affiliate marketer and accountability coach. It can work for anyone in any niche. Now, let me share a little personal story with you. I put off fully committing to my self-image script for the longest time. You see, I always dreamed of being my own boss, running a successful business that outperformed my 9-to-5 job. After I ventured out, leaving my corporate job behind, I struggled for over 2 years to make ends meet until I realized something was really wrong, something very crucial. I couldn't outperform my self-image. That was the catalyst for me to get on with it. And it wasn't until I crafted a self-image script that truly resonated with my vision, along with the income and lifestyle that I desired, that everything began to shift and change for me. And you know what the coolest part is? It be as possible for you as well. So, if you're ready to take control of your self-image and manifest your dreams, then join me for our free self-image scripting workshop coming up soon on January 20th, 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, and it's absolutely free, my friend. In this less than 90-minute session, you'll learn how to create a self-image script that aligns with your dreams, will reprogram your subconscious mind for success, and help you gain the clarity and confidence to make 2025 your breakthrough year. So, don't keep this to yourself. Share this with a friend who's ready or not ready, but wants to be ready to transform their life too. Together, let's make this year our best year yet. So save your spot by clicking the link in the description below this video. I certainly can't wait to see you there, and I'm looking forward to it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more transformative content, and let's unlock our potential together this year. See you again soon.